In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to purchase a website domain name with GoDaddy. So you need to start by heading over to an internet browser, and we're just going to head over to the website GoDaddy.com. Now, once you're on this website, you'll see this search box right at the top of the screen. And from here, you just want to search for the domain that you want to purchase. So for example, I want to buy this domain gamingvillage.com, and then you can click on search domains. Now, if the domain's already taken, then you may see this message here where it says domain taken, in which case we'll need to select another domain. Now you do have these alternatives like .co.uk and all of these other extensions at the end of the domain, but for me I really want the .com, so I'm just going to try a completely different name here. So I'm going to try gaming-village.com, and then you can just search again. So this one's actually available, so what we need to do is click on make it yours next to the domain that you want. From here, click on continue, and then you'll have the option to add this domain protection. Now it's not really needed, so I'm just going to select no domain protection, and then if we scroll slightly down the page, you'll also have the option to add your own custom email address. So the basic packages start at $1.99 a month if you do want this custom email address. For now, I'm just going to select no professional email and then come back up to the top and click on continue to cart. Now from here, you can select how long you want to register this domain for. I'm just going to select 1 year, and then we can renew it automatically each year. And as you can see, this will bring the cost right down. So once you're happy with all of your settings here, we can then click on the have a promo code button. And if you do have a promo code, then enter it in this box. If you don't have a promo code, you can always try searching for Google GoDaddy promo codes. And sometimes you'll be able to find these free ones on these coupon websites. Now, once you're ready, click on I'm ready to pay. And from here, you can either sign in to your existing account, or you can create a new account with either Facebook, Google, or your email address. Because I already have an account, I'm going to press sign in. So once you're signed in, make sure you've added your billing information as well as your payment information, and then you can go ahead and press complete purchase. Once you've purchased your domain, if you want to find it, you can just click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, select my products, and from here you'll be able to see a list of all of the domain names that you currently own. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.